In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download multiple PDF files in Microsoft Teams. If you've ever needed to grab several PDFs that were shared in a chat and found yourself downloading them one by one, this walkthrough will show you a much faster way. We'll use the built-in Files view in Teams to select and download several PDFs at once. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat area. You can usually find this in the left-hand sidebar. Click on Chat to see your list of recent conversations. From here, choose the chat where the PDF files were shared. This might be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat, but the process is the same. Once you're inside the correct chat, look near the top of the window for a tab labeled Files. This tab collects all the documents that have been shared in that conversation, so you don't need to scroll back through long message threads. Click on the Files tab to open it. You should now see a list of files associated with that chat, including any PDFs that were sent. The list usually shows the file name, the type, who shared it, and the date it was added. Take a moment to confirm that the PDFs you want to download are visible here. If you don't see them at first, scroll through the list. They might be a bit further down. Next, look to the left side of each file name. You'll see a small checkbox next to each file. This is where you can select more than one file at the same time. Click on the checkbox for each PDF you want to download. As you click, you'll notice that the selected files are highlighted, confirming that they're included in your selection. You're not limited to just PDFs here, but if you only want PDFs, just make sure you tick the boxes beside those files and leave the others unchecked. If there's a Select All checkbox at the top of the list and you only have PDFs in this view, you can use that to speed things up. After you've selected all the PDFs you need, look for the Download option. This is usually located above the file list or in a toolbar that appears once you start selecting files. Click on Download. Teams will either download the files individually or bundle them into a compressed folder, depending on your setup and browser. Once the